9 forecast.
All right, right on schedule. We had a little bit of brief snow and ice first thing this morning. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Thanks to Linda Basil in Haywood, that's in northern sections of Madison County along the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, showing a little bit of light snow and sleet. Now it's changing over to mostly a cold rainfall. Keep those videos and photos coming. If you haven't already, make sure you download the Storm Team 29 Weather app. You can get your latest forecast, hour-by-hour outlook, and the radar and the latest video clips. You can also watch us live from anywhere. So if you see it, snap it and send it our way. You may see your pictures and videos right here on the weather segments. All right, here's a look outside live at the top of Wintergreen. As advertised, the Blue Ridge Mountains would be most favored to see some elevated icing. And we have seen that. If you look closely on the tree branches here, we are seeing some glaze of ice, a thin layer of glaze from freezing rain over the higher elevations. Untreated and elevated surfaces will see that, and we can expect that to linger for a few more hours before the temperature goes above freezing, even across the higher elevations. Near freezing across the ID1 corridor into the Shenandoah Valley, also into Waynesboro across I-64, but the roads are wet, at least the main roadways. But watch those elevated surfaces, bridges and overpasses over the higher elevations, especially points west towards the Allegheny Highlands. But for the most part, east of the Blue Ridge, we are above freezing, and we will stay that way for quite some time. NBC 29's live Doppler radar shows some moderate to heavy rainfall now after that brief period of sleet. We had some sleet in Charlottesville between 8:30 and 9:30 this morning. Now look at this. It's a wet go of things. This is Airport Road and Route 29. Lots of ponding on the roadways out this way, but it's all wet weather. No ice to deal with for the rest of the day. Pockets of ice along the Blue Ridge there into the Shenandoah Valley, but even here we're going to go above freezing over the next few hours, and it's a cold rain from Dillwyn, Palmyra to areas of Louisa and into Culpeper, Madison, and Greene counties. Now all this moisture is pointed from southwest to the northeast, but eventually you can see back to the west a dry slot pushing on into the northeast into the Appalachians. So over the next few hours we will have the steadiest rainfall, and then after sunset the rain's out of here. The heavy snow is across the Great Lakes and into interior northeast for our area. That leaves us with rain between now and 6 p.m. It's a solid shield of rain. After 6 and 7 p.m. the rain's gone. A break of starlight overnight, and then tomorrow we'll start to see some sunshine break on out with those northwesterly breezes. The clouds will come and go, but overall tomorrow will be a blustery day. Here are the wind gusts tonight into tomorrow. Northwest winds will kick in after the rainfall, and it will be dry on Thursday into Friday, and Saturday is my pick day of the weekend because Sunday to Monday a weak weather disturbance will try to pass on by with a passing shower, but I'm watching the end of next week. Arctic cold front will arrive, perhaps with rain over to some Arctic air for the first weekend of February. Your forecast for today, though: cold rain, some fog in the upper 30s and low 40s. Patchy ice will continue for the higher elevations. Overnight, showers exit. Lows will be above freezing, so a refreeze is not going to be a concern. And on Thursday, low 40s for the valley, barely 50 in central Virginia with blustery northwesterly winds. And we'll see a 7-day forecast will cool down tomorrow night to the 20s. 40s on Friday, and seasonably chilly. My pick day of the weekend is Saturday with sunshine, mid-50s. Some clouds, maybe a passing shower on Sunday and Monday, but a better chance of rain midweek next week. Jared.